Education, which is taken from paper Assessment of Learning, class BA B.Ed semester 7th, as per the GNDU syllabus. Indian Council of Secondary Education. Indian Council of Secondary Education India has established to promote secondary and senior secondary education with motto to achieve complete literacy in India. The ethos of the council: trust and fair play, minimum monitoring, allowing schools to evolve on catering to the needs of the children, giving freedom to experiment with new ideas and practices, diversity and plurality, the basic strength for evolution of ideas, schools to motivate pupils toward the cultivation of excellence, the Indian and global experience, values, spiritual and cultural, to be the bedrock of the educational experience. Schools to have an Indian ethos, strong roots in the national psyche, and be sensitive at national aspiration. Functions performed by Indian Councils of Secondary Education. Specific functions, general functions. Specific functions: develop strategy plans for promoting education program, develop need action plans for making education equitable, offer a wide spectrum of courses, develop need-based curriculum and intermediate educations and vocational educations and training programs, provide support services to the effective student by the establishing study centers, institutions in India abroad, conduct examinations and issue certificate to successful learners, promote quality of learning in regular as well as in open and distance through monitoring, supervision and evaluation, supervise the schools run by the council or affiliated to the council, obey the conditions imposed by the educational authorities, de-affiliate the schools which fails to maintain the standards of education as directed by the council. General functions: provide comprehensive syllabus, provide technical education, offer need-based education, provide cost-effective and job-oriented program, provide high-quality formal education. Conclusion: because it is non-governmental council, so the ICSE is the self-financing educational institution, have different syllabus, educational pattern, exam and other aspects. Overall, it is less scientific than CBSE board.